In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a document in Microsoft Word. Printing a document might seem like a simple task, but knowing the right options can help you save time, paper, and ensure your document looks exactly the way you want it to. Whether you're printing a school report, a business file, or personal notes, Microsoft Word gives you full control over how your document appears on paper. To begin, make sure your document is open and ready. Take a moment to review your content for any errors or formatting issues before printing, as this can help you avoid wasting paper. Once you're satisfied, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open a menu with several options related to your document. From there, select the Print option. As soon as you click it, you'll be taken to the Print Preview screen. This area is very helpful because it shows you exactly how your document will look once it's printed. On the left side, you'll see your printer settings, and on the right side, you'll see a preview of your pages. Next, choose the printer you want to use. If you have multiple printers connected, make sure to select the correct one from the list. After that, you can decide how many copies you want to print by adjusting the number in the Copies field. You can also customize additional settings depending on your needs. For example, you can choose to print all pages or only specific pages by entering a page range. You can also select whether to print on one side of the paper or both sides, if your printer supports duplex printing. Orientation is another option, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape layouts. Before printing, it's always a good idea to double-check the preview to ensure everything looks correct. Pay attention to margins, spacing, and page breaks, as these can affect the final result. When everything is set, simply click the Print button. Your document will then be sent to the printer and begin printing right away. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.